to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make Khoya or Mawa. So let's get started.
I've got here 1 cup of full cream milk powder, half cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of ghee. Place a non-stick fry pan on low heat, add ghee and heat it. Add milk and heat it until it starts to boil, stirring it continuously. Add 1/3 of the milk powder at a time and mix it well to combine. Continue stirring it and cook it until the mixture is no longer sticky and starts to come together and forms a lump. Turn the heat off, transfer it into a dish and let it cool down completely. My instant mawa or khoya is ready and you can use it to make barfi, gujiya, gulab jamun or any Indian sweets that need khoya or mawa and you cannot get it in your country. You can also put it in a sealed container in the fridge for up to 5 days. When you're ready to use it, take it out of the fridge, just grate it or break it into small pieces and use it in your favorite recipes. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.